Are you ready to have some fun with emojis on Instagram? Let's play an emoji game with just a few easy steps. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to play an emoji game on Instagram. Stick around till the end and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more helpful content. So, what exactly is an emoji game? It's a fun way to play and have a blast with your friends or groups in Instagram direct messages. It's all about sending emojis back and forth and having a great time. To get started, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, head to the direct message section by tapping on the message icon usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your chat list. Now, choose a specific chat with a friend or group where you'd like to play the emoji game. Tap on the chat to open it, and then send an emoji to kickstart the game. Feel free to choose any emoji you like, but it's more fun if it relates to the theme of the game or the ongoing conversation. Once you've sent the emoji, tap on it within the chat to start the game. Keep track of your score as you play and try to beat your friends' scores. Use the emoji game as a fun way to pass the time and interact with your friends. And don't forget to share your scores in the comments below after playing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.